Back left side. This is the back right side. Look how like lower this is. This is like 3 fingers. The other side's like a whole fist. So I think the shocks are like gone. They freaking like when I'm driving and stuff, the car just bottoms out. You can hear it like it bottom out. So got the shocks here. Hopefully that fixes it. Yeah, this side's way lower. The other side one more time. It's crazy, dude. Look at this side. Wheel gap is huge, dude. I have to take out all this stuff, like my toolbox and stuff and all that, and that would be. I'll have to take off like the lining, this lining stuff, twist these things off, take this tray off, and take this off. This sucks. These 2 things suck. Put everything on the side, and yeah, then we'll be able to get to the rear strut bar, which is right there. So that's gonna be fun. So I think my friend Joshua might come through and help out later on. It's 12:25 right now, maybe around like 1 or 2. Hopefully he comes. Safety first, people. E-brake, something for the tires. Oh yeah. Shoot, look how ghetto this is. I have to use some like needle nose pliers to get like this interior clip out. Oh man, it does the job, but oh man, I can't wait till I get a shop and like actual tools. It's gonna be amazing. But I have all the interior out. I just have to get these 2 sides off, which is gonna be pretty easy. I have to like slide these off. I can't lose these or I'm gonna be pissed. Let me just grab all this stuff. Oh, look at all this mess. I put all this together. So there. Get these heater nose. And I think I have to slide these off. I didn't. Oh, actually, I did cut. This looks horrible, I know. It's whatever. Function over looks. Fuck that, dude. I need the strut bar. What the heck is up there? Oh, nothing. Dude, the heck. Just like that. To be honest, I might not even put this stuff back in. I don't even know yet. But this piece should come off easy. Okay, switch you over to this side. I know you guys probably don't want to see this, but I don't know, man. Just taking this stuff off. It's hot as like F, dude. It's like 72 degrees. It just definitely feels like fucking like 79 or 80 because I'm sweating. But that carpet does not sound good. God, not the amps. We'll just go under the amps. Oh yeah. Just like that. Woo. Oh my god. Alright. So now we just have to get that one and this one off the car. Oh, I need freaking, oh, I have what's it called? Vice grips, because I have to vice grip the top bolt right here and then unscrew that, which I have a wrench. I have like a adjustable wrench or whatever. Take this puppy off. Okay, so here's the update. This is how my car is looking. Got the back seats down. Got the bass and sprite and shotgun. Okay, I'm out here sweating bullets, bro. I'm fucking sweating bullets out here. It's fucking hot. Like, hot as balls. So, I got the top hat off right there. Boom. It's still kind of hard because I have to use the vice grips on the top and then still screw, like use a wrench to like unbolt that. It's hard because the top still spins, so I just got a vice grip, a little piece. But I got that out. After that, after I take this bar off, I have to go under the car and jack it up. Once I do that, put those jack stands over there and the under the car and unbolt the freaking shock, and that's it. Okay, so I have the car jacked up, but before I show you that, let's unbox these new shocks. Oh, this is not open. Yeah, but it comes with let me open this one. This is how it looks. It comes with the styrofoam, or I mean the bubble wrap. It's pretty sick, pretty sick. So I'm gonna have it going like this way, straight up. I gotta take these things off, whatever. Take this top piece off, triangle part don't go in. And yeah, with the hardware, all needed. Bam, bushings, all that stuff. And now that the car, I have it checked up. And as you can see, it's out. Shock is out. Blown shock. If you look from the bottom, you can see the hole. There's a little wee hole right there. It's a shock. I think it's like a 15 and 16. I don't know. I'll probably put the impact on this side, put a wrench on this side, and drill it out. Show you guys in a sec. Okay. This thing does not want to come off. Dude, no way. Dude, no way. Let me take the wheel off. I think it'll be better if I hold the wrench this way and then take the bolt off this way. Duh. Got it. Take the bolt out. And there goes my freaking shock, bro. Hell yeah, brother. Look at that thing. Woo. Okay, got the new shock right here. Yes, sir. You see it? That's our performance. Now, oh, freaking thing doesn't want to sit inside. Okay. Put this bolt on. Man, my hands are dirty. Put this on. I just gotta line it up with the hole. Oh shit. Cracked my lens again, dude. Sucks trying to find a freaking camera angle. Alright.
Bro, if I fix it, can I keep it?
You can give me that shit right there, and I better go. That should be like the motherfucking bad.
Nah, I'd rather have one of these.
Look at the rims, the rims are beastie.
I look at the back room. Yo, it's not like this. Back to the Charles, that one I drove over there.
Oh nah, I think I'm going the wrong way. That should look it. Oh yeah, baby. There we go. Ah. I want to tighten it with the drill, but I'll tighten it.
You didn't have to take the tire off of that shit? Oh, you did, right?
Yeah. Alright, so this is the old one. Old as shit, clapped out. This is probably came with the car, to be honest, 2004. This probably came with it, looks like it. That's it. It's my boy Joshua, came through to help.
Gang.
Brought me the coffee over there. Look at the difference. Shit is crazy.
It's crazy skinny.
Yeah, it is. We got one side done. That side, the right side is done. We're just gonna do the left side. Try it out. Screw this shit. This piece, hopefully it rides stiff. It's supposed to be stiffer, but we'll see. Right. Try to like slide off from the edge.
Nah,
That
I
shit
ain't gonna do
fucking
like
gross.
that. I'm opening it like this. Oh,
That was
that
it.
shit was gonna pop.
Nah, I guess it's just me. I guess I'm just pussy or something. It's like take 15, I think, or whatever. I don't even know. Got the shocks in, car's lowered on the ground, just tightening everything while like the wheels are on and stuff. Nothing holding up the car or anything. Yeah, almost a fist, but stock height. It's not mad low. Alright, so I'm about to plug in a two-step. I haven't had it my two-step on since like the winter, since I fixed that problem back there. But about to plug it in a wiring harness. It's still here. See all these clips and plugs, and it's unplugged. Two-step harness. I mean two-step harness. So Josh is back there tightening those things and get this thing spicy again. Hopefully it's spicy. I gotta check the oil. That's about it. Put everything back in and the car should be, you know, ripping again. Alright, so got the two-step plugged in. Everything is Gucci. Me and Josh was sweating bullets, bro. Two steps plugged in, everything's plugged in. Everything's put away. Goes back in the trunk. Yes, sir. So we're about to rip to the mall right now. And yeah, I'll record something on some streets. Got the other GoPro set up. It's lit. Let's do this shit. Bigger tire in the back, so it kind of hurts more. That shit was gripping, nigga. It didn't really spin. Shit. Little two-step action. Yeah, that shit's loud. Let's see if I can do it under the tunnel over here. Just the sound of it. I haven't two-stepped in a minute. Thank God the spark plug didn't pop out when I fixed it. It's held in pretty good, I guess.
I don't lose my phone.
Oh, we got it first gear. Ready? Out of there, bro. Mexico City. We in Mexico City right now, bro. Fuck that, bro. So I just ended the video. That's probably it. Probably can't even see me. That's about it. My boy Josh came through. He helped me out and shit. So gotta do a few other shit to the car, but today